Jai Sriman
Whenever, whatever the tension my father used to feel, the moment he sees me, he feels so happy. He speaks to me very happily, irrespective of how much ever stress and how much ever tension he is in. That kind of father is not able to not speaking to me at all. Rama started getting so much worried and started addressing Kaikeyi Mata. Oh Mata, is there anything that I did something wrong? Please let me know. Kaschinmaya naparadham. Did I do anything wrong to my father? Please let me know. Vivarna vadano dino. Nahimam abhibhashate. Why my father is not speaking to me at all, not talking to me at all? The one who always used to talk to me very, very happily. Oh Mata, is anything wrong? Is anything happened? Is everything okay with his health? Is he doing health-wise okay? Is anything bothering him? Is everyone okay? Is everyone healthy at our home? Bharata, Shatrughna and mothers, is everyone their health is okay? Like that, Ramachandra Swami started asking several questions to Kaikeyi and also saying that, oh Mata, in this kind of situation I have never seen my father. My father, if he is worrying, I cannot live on this earth at all without resolving his worry. Oh Mata, muhurtamapi na ichcheyam jeevitum. If father is having any kind of pain, suffering, without resolving that I do not want to be alive on this earth for even for a fraction of second. Oh Mata, my father is my God. My father is my Paramatma, Pratyaksha Daivam, that I see my father. So please let me know whatever is bothering my father, whatever is reason my father is suffering from. Please let me know. I would definitely take care of that. Like that, several ways Ramachandra Swami expressed how much he likes his father, how much he would be obedient to his father, how much he would definitely obey his father's orders. After listening to all this, then Kaikeyi Mata slowly about to say something to Rama. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.